Hello students, let's do the problem. I told you we will do classical based problem, classical probability based problem. So now look at the solve problem first. Example 1. Okay, a coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting head? These are very simple. Now, so example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 5 you do yourself. Here I am showing example 6. Example 6 is, what is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sunday? As we know, there are 366 days in a leap year. So when we divide it by 7, because in a week 7 days are there, so we divide it by 7, we get 7 5s are 35, 1 and 6, 7 2s are 14, 2 remainder. It shows that there are 52 weeks and 2 extra days. Okay, so the question is that what is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sunday. So 52 Sunday is confirmed. Okay, now the extra one more Sunday, if this extra in this extra 2 days, if Sunday will be there, then we will get 53 Sunday. So let first write the combination, different combination of these 2 extra days. Okay, so it will be Sunday, Monday, first combination. Second is Monday, Tuesday. Third is Tuesday, Wednesday. Fourth one is Wednesday, Thursday. Fifth one is Thursday, Friday. Sixth one is Friday, Saturday, and the last one is Saturday, Sunday. That means we get 7 all possible cases of these 2 extra days. Okay, because we get the 52 week, but we need 52 weeks, means there are 52 Sundays are there, but we need to find 53 Sunday. So if Sunday is included in this 2 days, we will get 53 Sundays. So now these are the all possible cases of 2 extra days. It may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. So all possible cases are 7, and the favorable cases are if we get the combination of this, that means Sunday and Monday, and if we get the combination of this, that is Saturday and Sunday. So the favorable cases is 2 and all possible cases is 7. So the required probability, that means probability of getting 53 Sunday is 2 by 7. So hope you get it is clear. Now example 7 is also simple, so you can do up to example 12. In next class I will explain the addition theorem of probability. Thank you.